Jamaican artist.
That's my favorite Jamaican artist. That's my favorite Jamaican artist. That's Alkaline.
Alkaline.
Yeah.
Oh, he's good. Do you feel like Alkaline was a big inspiration to you?
Yeah, when I say yeah.
Do you think he inspired your music and how you sound and stuff?
I would say, oh, my sound still I some being sound from a smaller group. I always have that tone of voice. Yeah. Some would say, oh, my sound, but it inspired me.
So do you feel like Alkaline inspired like a lot of people in Jamaica, but they would like not admit it?
Yeah, cause probably them fear that backlash.
What kind of backlash?
You don't know to opposite them when I say, you get what I say? Like people, alright, me myself, you don't say Alkaline are my artist. You get what I say? And then people don't bash me to say Alkaline are my artist.
Really?
Yeah,
Why would they bash you for it? I don't get it.
We're talking the generation of from the 90s, like, who that sing back with her now?
Alkaline.
Alka?
Yeah, my artist that. I talk it everywhere I go. That's how we are, man, any other way. You see it. Any other way, man, a grown man. You see it.
Respect Alkaline, like you respect him work attitude, respect Alkaline.
I respect everything about him. The way him articulate himself, bro. You see it. The way the dog stay far from people and do him think people fucked up, bro. You see it. Mm-hmm. The way the dog have a strategy for everything. It's like the man calculate everything from before him do it. And when him do it, it work, bro.
Yeah.
You see it. I've been a listen to Alkaline from long time before he even bust. Then the time that me and youth I go primary school when me I listen to the Streets Clash with Maestro Dan, Pencil, Schoolboy, Shano, Alkaline, Massacre. Remember that Street Classic?
Yeah, yes, man.
From there, so me I listen to Alkaline.
People, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nanda. Hope everybody had a good out there, you know my boss in the building. Yo, I'm come to talk about the state of dancehall currently. Right now, the state of dancehall is not like the dancehall it used to be, where music a drop back of music. And right now, it is currently that the big artists them in the game right now, they now drop no music. And we come to talk about the Alkaline influence on dancehall currently, because as we see, you know, say Alkaline have that thing about him, that strategy about him where him disappear from the scene and people miss him so much. But we see that him alone people really miss. People now really talk about the other artists them. And remember 2013, 2014, a lot of new artists did come out, but we now see them no more. It's like them now have the way that say, them now have the energy or them now have the momentum no more for do no music or put out no music. Right now at the time for enough for young artists them jump out and do them best what them can do, because honestly when Alkaline really decides say yo he might put him foot in a dancehall neck, a trouble for them catch him back. And right now we see it is like other vibes them depend, because Alkaline drop a song 1 month ago and you see him name still a ring in the media 24/7 and people are waiting for him. People are wonder what's next with Alkaline. Him have countless a show to perform this year, and the dog is like him, the supply and demand we have around him, it gets stronger and stronger as time goes by. Massacre, right? Massacre now drop no song. The year start and Massacre now drop. I wouldn't hear nothing about him, nobody now really talk about him or whatever. We understand him signed to a label. But you know, as an artist like Massacre, knowing say, yo, him just get the big break the other day, him should have be able to dominate the scene and do him best right now, because if a new artist running a game right now, a problem for all a man like Massacre. Massacre a great artist, but we know say Massacre have a collective fan. Him fan base not really big like that, so we know say it will take a lot for him to do. But right now, bro, anytime now, new artists can come break out in a game. And we know Alkaline is not the type of artist who choke the game in a sense where he dilute his music as by putting out a lot of music all the time. But him give you music for last long. Him give you certain music where it's stuck on you. So a lot of people right now are weird. And We come to talk about alkaline influence, right? As I said, alkaline influence. We've seen over the years a lot of artists, they may afraid to come out and talk, say alkaline work ethic inspire them. They may afraid to come and some may not afraid. We see where Intense go up on an interview. Intense go up on an interview and they talk. I say alkaline and inspire him influenced by alkaline. And we know that. So while we hear people attack as alkaline and influence, nobody, it just go through one ears that come to the other. Because we know say alkaline influence a lot of young artists. After alkaline generation, when alkaline bust out and kick down the door, that was the moment where newer generations start come bust in all different angles. Them no need no authority, them no need no referral for bust. So that was the time where we say, yo, alkaline kick down a barrier and him kick down the door for the new artists them come out, and at them time they really realize that yo, the youth your influence became stronger and stronger, because we see a lot of new artists like the Roger Wild and the Craft, them look up to alkaline, and then you know the Armani and the 450, the whole of them look up to him, because remember, you know, after alkaline, you know, there wasn't any artist who do it the way how him do it, you know, and the dominance and the rebelliousness where him did have. No, we see it in enough artists right now. Enough artists have the rebelliousness in them, and enough of them now drop music right now. So it's like them a do a supply and demand thing, but most of them have to understand, say, without a fan base, without a collective fan base or a real strong fan base, it not go work for them like it wouldn't work for your alkaline. So my advice to them is to drop music, flood the market. Don't not just because you know see Vibes Cartel out now, you don't feel as if you're not gonna get the traction. Drop the music them, and once them good, them all do the numbers. As I said, do the music them for last the test of time, a long-term music, not no short-term. Drop the music and know so the music will not drop. You know it now yourself, say yo, this can go big or this can go viral. But it's like the artists them are asleep right now. I don't know if it's because the year young, the year just started and it young, but we're in February and February are done right now. So I would advise a lot of them to put out the music them and make them work. Don't follow alkaline. Alkaline have a fan base there with loyal to him, die-hearted loyal to him. So them to put out the work, but I don't know. It's like the artists them are wait for a different art. It's like the artists them are wait for them one another for drop a song for hear what a work or a go on in a market, because the strategy with music still enough. You see, if you don't know how the market still right now currently, you're not gonna know what to drop. But you see, when you as the artist when know say you have a fan base, you can set the pace of the market as to say, yo, if me drop that song, this can rotate and this can carry the place, this can carry the swing for your place. But if you not have a fan base and if you're just a loner artist where you just a look out for listeners, it not gonna really work. But always drop a song where you believe say can grow or can build. Because we see right now the look at youth, my brother 14-year-old, a lot of us must see him. Him name Lyri. Lyri drop a song, a chopper song, but it a work for him because we're in an era where a choppings are going on and be a chopper song, but for how long? But as a new coming artist, that can work for him until him can really get the ears of the people and drop some real authentic music. But for now, we should say that work in our market right now, but that are just for the younger youth, them, the younger boys and girls who want to hear them things, because them take on to them things. But for wait for a man, for wait for an Alkaline or a Vibes Cartel or a Massacre, them youth, them, the younger youth, them can't follow them because them have the ears of the people, them will drop songs and people will take on to them because them don't make them name in their business. But as I say, bro, the influence, you see, when you have a certain influence in a business, you don't have to kill up yourself. Like we see Alkaline do right now. Him now ackle up himself. Him drop one song for a year and him still at the talk of town. People still depend on him name. And him say, yo, and him my man, him never have to kill up himself because if him drop a song, people are going to talk. If him not drop a song, people are going to talk. So it's like him can do or don't and people still talk. So right now, Me can tell you, say, yo, Alkaline, I go drop a song, we have a lead up to him concert them, and it will create damage in our scene. A lot of people I say, yo, a lot of people hungry and a ball, and I say, yo, well, most people are not really true die-hearted fans, but a lot of people are ball. I say, what Alkaline them? Alkaline, I know him drop one song and them can't drop no song, other song. But we not hear the people, we not hear them said people there say, what massacre them now drop no song, wait. That will show you how you stand firm in our business. It's like say, they miss you when in the day and they miss you when they're there at the same time. It's like when they drop song, they want more. So I got me there, I eat some food, I get ready for go work. But we see it, bro, in our game right now. In the game right now, Alkaline influence, as we intense upon him interview, the game split in two right now, right? The Vendetta and the Gaza, cause them are the biggest fan base right now in our game. And the two artists them are the most prominent artists right now. Them not have to do nothing and them name call. And if them even do something, them name won't call. So the younger artists, them, my advice is again, them just need to drop music, cause me not see where the J Quan they where the all of the artists them they hot last year or year before last. The Roger Wild and the Craft them and the whole of them is like them now drop nothing. But them have them fans and them work with them small amount of fans, and if them fans to drop music them will drop, but we not see them like that. But bro, dancehall different right now. Dancehall different right now. And that's a couple of my vlogs them as I say, the fans them, the people them are take on to Alkaline right now and they miss him at the same time. Because they say, yo, you can't drop them solid songs and you're not active in our scene, you know, them not see your face, but that's the thing with supply and demand as an artist. You can't get too common out. Even though we are ghetto youths and we are Jamaican and people that want to say, yo, still, they in our media, do some look interview, way, but as an artist, you can't get too common out. The more you get common out, the influence and the demand for you now go up there like that. So Alkaline I use a strategy there. And a lot of artists will see I do it. And that's why I say the influence where Alkaline have, we see a lot of artists are doing the same thing when I do. Remember, Alkaline started this trend of the supply and demand trend from a longer time still, not 2017 or 2016, but longer than before that. But we see it get stronger back in 2017 where you now see him. Remember, this whole introvert thing with him, it came about because the industry abandoned him and them hate him on a different level. So him do this introverted thing and segregate himself from the media because the media stay already. Them love to tear down and love to tarnish you. So the dog do that, but we see say it a work for him. But people are gonna say it not work for him. But we see it a work because if he means a man when in a media like that, and it a work for him. Imagine if him did in a media like that. Imagine if him did in a media like that, I do what your favorite artist out there do. He would have mash up the game. You'd hear the comparison a lot more often because they must say he might do this like this and man or the competition there because this man over here side do this and that, the man over this side do that. But we see say bro, Alkaline on a whole different level, dog. Him different. Literally different. And him have him have a performance in England, and him have a performance, him have a new rules show in England and Connect and Canada. So that's the next big thing to him. So when people are say, yo, we not hear from him or him fall off, it's so strange because him have so much shows. And as I'm saying, as an artist, as an artist, you have to make catalogs. And once you have catalogs, you have to always have shows, year around. Alkaline about 3 shows announced already for New Year, and plus him new rules show them. So for them I say, yo, them not see him or they miss him already. Him have shows I do. Him a do him things, so that people need to look out for. But as I said, bro, Alkaline influence. We see where artists like J Quan say them influenced by Alkaline. Artists like where name the Silk Boss. And we see where Intense come out on him interview, say him influenced by Alkaline or Alkaline inspired by Alkaline. and Iron as well. So a lot of artists out there were influenced by Alkaline, you know. But you know, them not gonna come out, come talk. But we know a thing already. We just know it. I just time do everything as Alkaline. So everything takes time, and pan him on everything the pan him left hand. So he watch time at the master. So we know say a lot of artists influenced by him, but they not gonna come out, come talk. So I just that. But make me know what I think. Make me know what I think Alkaline have plans for this year, because Alkaline dropped one song for a month last month, January. I would not see him active like that, but I feel like him have some big things that I'm making other than him shows. I feel like him probably would have dropped a big project this year, because him only make the people them go and talk, you know, because sometimes you don't know what a man have going on, you know. You just make them go and talk. So he may have a whole heap of things I'm making. As I feel like there is a lot of things I'm making. I'm just a predicate, but remember, you know, people, as I said, Alkaline, bro. Alkaline's a whole different monster when it comes to music, and film music, we see it grow gradually with people. People support it and promote it, and especially ladies. Then the ladies love Alkaline music on a different level, where they might take on to all the older songs them, and the songs them will drop a couple of years back, like, you know, the move, we call it the Mad Love and all of them songs there. Be a new songs right now, the youth have out, and people that take on to them, bro. Jano. But they're not gonna talk. No people now come talk about the influence of Alkaline have. And me just sit back and I watch it, bro. Me just sit back and watch how them call the youth name more often, and realize, say, you know, so them love the dog. It's like a love to hate situation, hate to love and love to hate situation. They love the dog, you know. It's just that they want more from the dog. They might look for interviews. They might look for him get friendly with them, but I know him that. And a lot of people don't understand that, but him fans understand that. So people want to see him get friendly out there, but supply and demand is key. You don't see Babyface that come out and I get friendly with people. Certain artists in a see get friendly. You know, see him and them I get too friendly with people. I just say it, go. You know, see Kendrick Lamar do the same either. So not every artist will be the same. So I say it go some of the time, but them dying for see Alkaline. And as me telling you, bro, Alkaline have so much in store. We have to look out and wait, because you see when you get too hungry for something, by the time you get it, bro, it come like a belly full, bro, or you either want more. Some of the time when you get too hungry for something, you want more. So at that I think, and that's how you master the game, by supply and demand. Give them something to talk about, and then they will ask for more after that. And we see where Alkaline and that him do over the years. And it'll work for him, brother. It'll work for him, because the only man me see where people are talk about him non-stop, all in him not do nothing. All in him in the media non-stop. And that me get to realize, say, yo, you know, so that brother you're different from every artist where you see in a game. The man master the strategy of how to control the market with him style and him pattern. And everybody will see everybody will see currently right now a pattern the style. Them just a drop music, and them now do the mix and mingle thing, but them a stay hidden, like them a hide themselves from the public, where it work for them, but not always work for them, because everybody I know see them, you know, cut out for everybody, as your dog saying, elite, you know, you want to for everybody, it is not for everybody, so everybody can't follow what them say or go on. And I see it, bro. Alkaline influence, dog. I hit, brother, I hit at work, I hit everybody at the right now, where them nah drop no music. You can imagine February done, and you can count on your finger how much new songs drop for the year. Whether from the elites, them are the big artists, them are the so-called big artists, them. So it's like we say, yo, it's like everybody else. To me, I feel like everybody else are wait for Alkaline, dog. I don't know if I me they know the algorithm, but I feel like say most of people them right now are wait for Alkaline. The way them critique Alkaline, you wonder, say, yo, if the dog really did that, If the dog really did never so comfortable and him a choke the game like some other artists, you can imagine how them would say, yo, Jaja God, Alkaline just a kill the game, him a dominate the game. And at that the dog create where him no want to dominate the game like that. Him already dominate, so him just a grow gradually and I make good music where I go live on. Not dominating the game, not choking the market or whatever. But tell me one thing Alkaline right now, Alkaline right now, the influence where Alkaline have on the game right now, we see us play out with a lot of artists because Alkaline are only artists where we see do this thing where him drop one song for a month and next month you hear him and it work for him, bro. Whenever him drop another song, it's like a banger. And we see other artists right now, I look like I hit them right now, like Massacre, bro. Massacre never usually stays so where him hide and now drop the music. And knowing Massacre is an artist where him now have that choke hold on the game, but we see where him do the same thing, like him will drop a song for the month and then way down in a year you see him drop another song. But it worked for him also, but for how long it worked for them artists, because sometimes a strategy now always work for you if you don't have that big fan base there, you know. But we all know, as well most people say, the game split in two right now. So people tell me one thing the influence of Alkaline have right now hit other artists I work with, the supply and demand strategy. They not really the vibes where them are now show themselves in our media. Because we don't see a Cartel alone right now. I show himself in our media 24/7. We now see other artists them do it. So tell me one thing about where you want to see a go on in our game right now. And as I'm saying, man, Alkaline right now for modern dancehall, him a blueprint. Him a the blueprint where everybody I work with right now. Because the strategy, it a show. And the influence there. A lot of artists come out and attack. We see enough artists really right now brave enough and come out and express them feelings, express themselves in a way to say, yo, them influenced by Alkaline. I'm rate that, brother. I rate that. Remember a time where a lot of youths usually hide because them afraid of backlash. Them afraid of backlash. So I love to see it, bro. I love to see the amount of fight where you usually get. And for see now the youth influencer spread across the board with all the artists. Them are use the same strategy. And it a work. I mean like that, brother. But tell me one thing, people, about all I want to see are going right now in a dancer. Because, as I say, our vibes and insight with none there, you know. And we just should have reason about the state of dancehall, where the artists them depend. As I say again, new artists now is the time for push out some music, some good music also, to get the ears of the people them, because where we work for Alkaline may not work for a lot of artists, so that's all me have to say to all. You know already, man. I'm out. Peace.